Guys, welcome back. This is Archana here. Hope you guys are doing great. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can create mixed media using simple themes. So let's get started. I took 3 small size cardboard rolls and glue them together, and I'm going to use these as a base for my project. In the next step, I added some cotton cloth using PVA glue, and I also added some thread as well. This will create nice texture and add more interest to the project. After everything dries completely, I glue down some jewelry pieces on the project, and to put everything together, I also added some art stones and micro beads using PVA glue. And as I always say, micro beads are perfect to create texture and works great as a filler too. prime the project, I decided to use chalk paint instead of gesso. The shade I use here is called Hazy Cucumber from Crafty Scrappers, and I just love the way this chalk paint gives color matte finish, and at the same time it primes the surface nicely and smoothly. To give little bit of darker green shade and depth around the object, I use shimmer spray from Crafty Scrappers, and the coordinating shade I use here is called Dancing Peacock. Next, for the focal point, I added chipboard cutout. Here I use fairy, but you can use any chipboard shape like a butterfly or tree or anything that you have. I cover this cutout using Crafty Scrapper shimmer paste and then glue down these on the project. And to finish the project, I use sentiment from stamp set called Inspire. Last but not the least, I highlighted project using gesso. For this process, I took completely dry brush and take gesso only on the edges of bristle and apply it on the project with light pressure. And this is how I finished this project. Hope you guys have enjoyed this making process. I will be back with another project soon. Till then, bye bye, take care and happy crafting.